Welcome, in front of me is an iPhone 11 Pro, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through DFU mode. So to get started, you will need a couple things. Number one is the cable. Plug it into the computer that you will be using for this process. And number two is iTunes. Now, if you're using an Apple-based computer, you don't really need to do anything. If you're using a Windows, you will need to download the program from their website, which is the apple.com. So once you have it open, as I have right now, all you need to do is plug in the device, the computer, and from here we're going to follow a sequence of key combination, basically holding keys, and you start off by pressing and releasing volume up, then the same for volume down, and then you hold power key for 10 seconds, then you add volume down to that, and after 5 seconds you release power key and keep holding volume down. So it might sound a little bit messy and words, but I guess you can just look at it how I'm doing it. So here, we're gonna go volume up, volume down, hold power key, and basically start counting. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let go. So after 10 seconds, you basically add volume down, and after 5 seconds additionally, you release the power key. Now keep in mind, if you hold the power for a little bit too long, so let's say if I would hold it for like 2 additional seconds, I would see the Apple logo, and then the device would just put back up normally into the iOS system. So that would mean that you held it for too long. Yeah. But as you can see, the screen is black right now, and I have a message right here on iTunes that iPhone is in recovery mode. iTunes is so bright that it cannot distinguish the difference between DFU mode and recovery mode, besides the fact that it just doesn't give you the option to update anymore. So that is the only thing you can go by. In actual recovery mode, you would see a laptop image right here, like an icon and a cable. And as you can see, there is nothing on the screen. The screen is basically turned off. But yeah, now proceeding with the process, what you will need to do is just tap on the restore iPhone. We'll start processing, then you will get a message right here. So restore and update. Once you click it, it starts extracting software. Now for me, it's right now immediately extracting software. Now if you're doing this for the first time, for you, iTunes will be now downloading the iOS software, and it's 4.3 gigabytes, so it will take a little bit, and be patient. Once it's done, it's going to automatically progress to extracting it and then installing it on the device. So once it's done, we should be then greeted with the iOS setup screen, and I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device on the iTunes side, you can just choose setup as new and tap on continue. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.